Hi, students. Logan Phillips. Let's talk about your pre-quizzes. Now, the pre-quizzes in Data Science 2103 are designed to assess your current knowledge and understanding of the materials. These are pass-fail assignments. They provide an opportunity to evaluate your strengths and identify areas for improvement before we dive into our course content. Now, these are single attempt, means you're allowed only one attempt to complete each pre-quiz. And these are also hand graded. Now, at the end of the pre-quiz, it will give you a score of what you actually got correct or incorrect, but this is a pass-fail assignment. If you take the assignment during the window that it is offered, it will automatically be converted when I do my grading, the hand grading, to a 2.5 points earned. So pre-quizzes will be hand graded at the end of the semester, not at the end of the module. I will analyze your initial responses and I will compare your baseline knowledge with your progress put throughout that particular module and throughout that particular course. So the reason we do these pre-quizzes is so I can see where you're starting from and see how you've grown as a student throughout the module, to see if you've learned, filled in your blanks of knowledge, and where the class sets as a whole. So these are single attempt and hand graded in a pass-fail environment. Now, for the quiz structure, these question types are multiple choice or short answer questions. They are content focused, which they're going to focus on the foundational concepts critical to the understanding of the course material in that specific module. So this gives you a nice preview of what you're going to be learning inside the textbook, inside the case study, inside the lecture materials. So you're going to see what you're going to learn before you learn it. You're going to be tested on it before you learn it, which might seem strange, but you're going to, if you take it, you're going to automatically pass it with a 2.5 points at the end of the semester. Now, to approach this pre-quiz, take your time. Use the quiz as a tool to gauge your comprehension of the material. Use resources. Refer to your notes, textbooks, or anything other that is available to you. And review your answers. Once you submit the quiz, take the time to reflect on your answers and identify your areas for improvement. This is not a high-stakes test. This is not a high-stakes environment. All I'm looking for is a way to introduce you to the material, get you thinking, see where you're starting from, and then see how you've grown through the module. So go in, don't worry about Googling anything, don't worry about cheating, just see where your actual knowledge is. Because at the end of it, at the end of the semester, all those points will be converted from whatever you earned to 2.5 full earned points. So while we're taking this pre-quiz, it's not just an assessment, it's a learning tool. By identifying your strengths and the area for growth, we can focus on your efforts and concepts that require the most attention. So make sure you get in there, take the pre-quiz, do it on time. Don't fret about it, not high stakes. And remember, it's single attempt and hand graded. All right, guys, enjoy the module.